In this project, we aim to perform sentiment analysis on Yelp reviews using logistic regression. By analyzing customer reviews, businesses can gain valuable insights into customer satisfaction levels and make data-driven decisions to improve their products or services. For this, we have taken a dataset which is available on internet, and we can see that this dataset contains text which are basically reviews, the stars, and business IDs, and a few other things. But the only main thing that are required is the text and these stars. As we have what we have done is that based on this star we have defined a label for each review, that whether it is positive or negative, and if that stars number of stars is greater than 3, then we have label it as 1, means it is positive, and if it is less than 3, then we have defined it as label 0, which means it is negative. And after that we have also splitted our data set into training and testing sets, so that we can further give it to the model, so to predict the answer. And the future engineering is very important steps in building any logistic regression or any machine learning model. In our case, we have done a future engineering by removing the extra things in reviews, like punctuation marks and extra space, and by converting capital letters into small. And after the future engineering, we have developed our model using logistic regression, and we can see that. Before implementing logistic regression, we have also converted our text into future sets, as it is a necessary step while implementing machine learning model. So after converting it into a future vectors, we have then passed to logistic regression function of the sklearn library, and predicted our model using test future sets. And then we have come to know that our model accuracy is 0.936 and F1 score is 0.96. After that, we thought that we can improve, optimize our model. So for that, we have used different techniques by testing it on undersampling and oversampling dataset, and using TF-IDF techniques and unigram bigram techniques. And after implementing these techniques, we have selected a technique which affects the model most. And then based on that technique, we have again train a model using logistic regression, and provide it with the test sets to predict the answers. The time taken to train the model and make prediction is 0.83 minutes, and the accuracy is 0.953, and F1 score is 0.971, which is improved a lot than before. And after that, we have tested our model by giving input test review, and so that we can see that if our model predicted correctly or not. As we can see in this case, when we passed I enjoy the food, the model is predicted correctly, and it says it is a positive review, and we can also see that this review is also positive.